As I've always said, PDP is the best organized party in this country. I've been in two parties, so I know. Um, and from what I have seen in terms of the administration of a party, you cannot beat PDP. They have very laid down processes. They follow the constitutions clearly. Of course, in any election or any electoral process, there are bound to be interests, competing interests that will want to have, look for ways to get dominance over the other. But at the end of the day, the process here is being followed. The members of the National Working Committee who are assigned to these tasks came on time. Came in yesterday with the materials. I understand that in all the wards across the state, all 192 wards, the same exercise that's going on here is taking place, simultaneously. In fact, many of them, I understand, have even completed their nominations. So I'm pleased. I'm impressed with what has happened. Of course, not everybody is going to be, okay with the process. If you know how it is. If you don't have your way, then the tendency is to try and castigate and tear down and run down the process. But it's clear, as 500 people in one ward coming to elect who will represent them. You can't. The evidence is there.
First of all, let's start by expressing our profound gratitude to the National Working Committee of our great party, PDP, for finding us worthy and to assign this very crucial and important assignment to us, the Edo State 3 Ad Hoc World Congress. And so we came in here, arrived, went to pay a courtesy visit to the governor, and then met with the party chairman, who gave us a robust briefing of the plans on the ground. And we also, myself, as the chairman of the committee, the electoral committee, and my colleague members, we went to a number of wards where we found out that the turnout was huge and the process was free, fair, and credible.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 70, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Where's your party card?